So guys, in this video I want to talk about Vidiq and how you can use Vidiq to rank your video. If you want to boost your video to get more views, more subscribers, if you want to make sure that your video is getting viewed by a lot of people, just watch this video. At the end of this video, you can decide if you want to stay or use Vidiq. So the first thing I want to talk about on Vidiq is to register. To register is very simple. You just need to enter your email here. Click on the section where it says sign up, and it will take you to a section where you'll be able to enter your password and you are good to go. That is how you can sign up on Vidiq. So another thing I want you to know on Vidiq is their Chrome extension. So first thing, once you click on Chrome extension here, it's going to take you to their Chrome extension browser. So if I click on install Chrome extension, it's going to be installed on my Chrome browser here. And all I just need to do is to go and search for it. If I click on extension here, it will open up. All I just need to do is to search that particular extension, which is Chrome extension, and add it up here. I'll click on pin and to pin it here. This is now the Chrome extension. So that is how you can add in the Chrome extension of Vidiq. This is what is going to allow you to view it's like, let us say for example you are watching any video. This Chrome extension will allow you to see what is going on that video, the keyword they use, the title they use, everything that concerns that particular video, the things they added. You will see everything with the power of this Chrome extension that you installed on YouTube. So let us say you want to join Vidiq. The pricing plan, what do you think? What do I think about the pricing plan? Is very good. Let me open the pricing plan. So the pricing plan is going to open now. So they have 4 pricing plan. The first pricing plan is the basic pricing plan, which is free. You are not paying any money here. And they have the pro pricing plan, which is $7.50 a month, which if you want to pick this plan, you are going to pay $10 every month. But here they are putting this price. But to be honest, they are going to take, I think, almost €3 tax. Everything will become €10 every single month. And they have the booster plan here, which is this one, boost plan. This one is recommended to everybody, which is $39 every single month. And they have the mass group coaching, which is $79. You can pick any one here if you want, but the one I'm recommending is the pro plan, which if you are just starting up, you want to test in this website. So that is everything I want to talk about here. Let me log into my own account and show you around. I will click on free sign up here, and it will open my own account. So as you can see, my account have opened. So here you will see, the first thing you will see on the dashboard, here, you will see channel stacks, which is channel status. If you scroll down here, you will see your last 7 days, how your YouTube channel is doing in the last 7 days. You see the views, the subscribers, the watch time, the retention, the estimate revenue, and that is what you will see here. And they have the daily idea. Let us say you want to make videos, you don't have any idea, you can come here to pick idea of what the type of video that you can make. Normally they used to give daily 10 videos ideas every single day. So they used to do that every single day. They give you different 10 idea of videos that you can make. You can pick anyone here and go and start making video about that particular topic or that particular idea or the keyword that you can find here. You can see it's very high right now, and they say view is, look at what they are saying, view prediction is very high, so you can go and make video about this keyword or this idea right now if you want. And if you scroll down here again, let us scroll down a bit, you'll find where it says subscriber overview, which is not showing up here. And you can find this section where it say AI title recommendation. So what you can, let us say you want to make video, you don't have any ideas of title. What you can do is to type in any type of keyword. Let us say I type in ChatGPT. If I type in ChatGPT here, ChatGPT, and I click on get title idea, and it's going to give us a title idea that we can go and talk about or make video about. Those are title ideas. You can see what he say here. Let us say, for example, you can just look through here. You can look through all the title ideas that he has given you. If you like them, you can stay with them. If you don't like them, you can just change, like retype it here, and it will give you other idea Let us say you want to pick this one that says how ChatGPT is a revolution AI interaction. So you can say, okay, you want to talk about it, click on copy title, you can go and make video about that. So that is if you want to use the titles idea. On this section where it said time zone, you find your time zone here, and you find the time people are available in this zone. So that is if you want to be posting video on this particular time, you can just post your video at 3 a.m. if you want. So if you scroll down again here, you'll find this section where it said keyword opportunities. If you scroll down here, you'll find all the keyword opportunities that you can make videos about. You can find Fiverr affiliate, how to promote Fiverr affiliate program, how to make money with Fiverr affiliate program. So those are keywords that you can rank for. So on all these keywords, what you have to focus on, pay attention here. What you have to focus on all these keywords is the competition. You can see the section where you see competition, and if you come down here, you see competition is low, competition is low, competition is low, competition. Those are the type of keywords you need to focus on. Anything that shows competition of high, don't focus on all this, because if you have a new channel, you'll not be able to rank for this particular keyword, because there's a lot of people already ranking for this particular keyword. So you will find it difficult to rank because your YouTube channel is new. And they have the competitors tab. On this section, you'll be able to copy other people. Let us say you have people that is making video in the same niche like you. You can just go add the people that you know that is making video in the same niche like you, so that anytime they make any video, it will pop up and you will just quickly go and make videos that you just go and quickly make that type of video idea. And that is just to give you idea of how the competitors tab work and how you can utilize it. So that is everything I need to talk about here. And if you scroll down here, you see top videos from your channel. Here you'll find all the video that is ranking very well on your YouTube channel, and that is it. So that is everything I need to talk about on this dashboard session. I've already talked about the daily idea, which is if I click on the daily idea here, it will pop up all the daily idea that the AI have generated for you. And you can even still ask some daily idea, type in some daily idea here if you want, and you have 10 lifetime credit of daily idea remaining if you want. And if you click on this section where you say save idea, those are ideas that you have saved that you want to make video about. And under dismiss idea here, those are the ideas that you have dismissed that you don't want to make videos about. And that is how the daily idea tab shows, and that is everything you need to know here. So if you scroll down here, that is everything you will see. It's just concerning the daily idea. Under the keyword tab here, on this section, this is the area where the work will happen. Let us say, for example, you want to make videos about this keyword, which is how to AppSumo lifetime reviews. Let us say you want to make video about AppSumo lifetime deals, or AppSumo lifetime deals, or AppSumo lifetime reviews. If I click on that and click on search, and this tab here is going to tell me if this keyword is a good keyword I can rank for or not. You can see what is showing here. The search volume of this keyword, which is AppSumo lifetime reviews, AppSumo lifetime deals, is very low. Is a low competition keyword, which is something that is good to rank for. And the search volume is high, which is 1,463 searches every single month. And let us see, I want to see matching terms on this. I will just scroll down here. You can see the section where you say matching terms. You can find a lot of other keyword that you can rank for on this particular one. You can see AppSumo AI lifetime deals 2023, the best AppSumo lifetime deals. So all you just need to do, copy the keyword. You can just click on this section. If you want to copy, just click on this arrow and you click on this copy. If you click on copy tags, it will tell you will now be able to copy the 3 tags, and you can go and make video about them and post it on your YouTube channel. Under the question tab, let us say you want to make video about a question like how to participate to AppSumo lifetime deals. So you can copy this and go and make video about how to participate on AppSumo lifetime deals. So that is to just give you idea of what you can do with this tool. So it's a powerful tool that you can use. And I want you to pay in mind, when you are using this tool, make sure you focus on all the ones that have a low competition keyword. Low competition keyword means that you have a chance of ranking on this keyword. A high competition means that you will not be able to rank on this particular keyword. If I click on view all 133 keyword, if I click on that, is going to open up all the 133, 35 or 33 keyword, and as you can see, all of them are low competition, low competition, low competition. So if we keep on scrolling down, low competition, low competition, low competition, low competition, almost all of them are low competition. Anywhere you see a section where you say high competition, that means that you will not be able to rank for that particular keyword. Let us say this one here that say high competition, which is ping chant review. This one here is a high competition, which means it will be difficult for you to rank for this keyword because there's a lot of people already ranking for this particular keyword. So where you have few people ranking for and a lot of searches coming from it, those are the type of opportunity you can just take and make video about them, and you'll find your videos ranking, getting views on YouTube. So that is how you can utilize the keyword tab, how to use it to master the keyword you can rank for on your YouTube channel. Let us say I click on override here. If I click on override here, it will show you the keyword that is available here, and if I click on it again, it's going to show us the low competition keyword. And as you can see, competition is all of them are low, and when it shows high, don't rank for it. That is my recommendation for you. So that is everything I need to talk about on the keyword tab. And yeah, the search volume is here, the competition is here, and the overall all is here, and you just need to pick one of them and make video about it. You can pick one of them, then one of the keyword here, go and make video about it and see how your video will rank at the next maybe in the few days or 3 or 5 days, you will find out your video have started ranking on YouTube. When I click on competitors here, like I told you, we have already talked about that. On the competitors tab here, you'll be able to add in competitors, people you want to be making videos about, or people who is making video and you want to make sure that you are making the same video just like them they are doing. So on this session, you'll find out when they posted and when you can post too. So you just need to follow them up and make sure you are doing the same thing that they are doing, and you will find yourself ranking with this particular strategy. So that is what you can do on the competitors tab. It's like you are following your competitors, following them up, making sure you are doing the same thing that they are doing. Very good high growth when you are doing this. If I click on subscribers here, on this session, you will find out that you can see all your subscribers when they are watching your video, the time they spend and everything. So if you scroll down here again, you will find out that it's the best time to post. So you can find the time that you can post your video, either on Friday, on Thursday, on Wednesday. You can find the time that your audience are always available, and the actual time people are available on YouTube that is watching that type of video that you are making. And when you find this type of round big blue button, means that they are available. When it's little means that this period is few people that is available on YouTube that is watching that type of video. So that is what I just want to give you here. It can be like 12 a.m., 3 a.m. You can see the graph here. The graph is very high. At 3 a.m., you find out that a lot of people are available on YouTube at that particular country or that zone where you are, that time zone where you live. So this is just to give you idea when you can post your video and when you cannot. So that is it. And if we come to this section where it said AI coach, when I click on AI coach here, on this section, you'll be able to write a video idea. Let us say you run out of idea and you cannot write a video or make a video. So this session or this AI tool, which is Vidiq, will allow you or will help you to come up with video idea. Let us say I will say, give me 5 idea, give me 5 video idea about. I will click on send, and it's going to reply me. I will just wait. It's kind of a conversation we are having with the AI. So what I will do here, I will say how to make money online. So look at what it says. Let me read it out so that you will hear what it's saying here. What the AI is saying. It says, sure, I will be happy to help you with that. Can you please clarify that clarify what topic or niche you would like the video idea to be about. And here I said how to make money online. I will click on send. So what the AI is going to do now is going to help me to come up with video idea that I can make in that same niche. So that is it, and we are just going to wait and you will see what the AI is going to do for us. So as you can see, the AI have done a very great job for it. Say great, here are 5 video idea about how to make money online. You can see, look at the first thing it says, say 10 legit ways to make money online in 2021. In this video, you can share 10 different ways to make money online that are legitimate and have the potential to earn a decent income. You can include options like freelancing, affiliate marketing, online tutorial, and more. So this is just to give you idea of what you can do, and you can now go and make video about that particular keyword you have just asked this AI. So this is everything I need to talk about on this video, guys. I will say thank you very much. All I will ask from you right now is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Don't forget, if you want to use Vidiq, don't forget to use the link in the description. And if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this first video. I will say thank you and see you on my next video.